Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time I'm gonna tell you how to save $1 million on your new dry erase board slash calendar. Now, I don't know about you, but take a look online and look for a reasonable size dry erase board. They are super expensive. Dry erase boards are currently going anywhere from $66 to $200, and who has time to be paying for that? Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get a dry erase board for only $24, okay? I needed a dry erase board because I like to write stuff down that I have to do, like on a calendar. And the dry erase calendar that I had previously was okay, but it didn't fit in all of the details that I would have liked, and I had to abbreviate a lot. Also, when I went to erase for like after a month, when I wanted to write, a new month, it would leave behind residue and it was quite annoying. In addition, even though I had space for the days of the month, it wasn't too customizable, for extra notes I wanted to write down. So I needed something bigger. So here's the solution, and you are going to love this. Like this video and subscribe because it really helps this channel out and yourself, because I'll be posting nice little random finds and Easter eggs like this, so make sure you don't miss out on those in the future. So in my local Lowe's home department store, there was a section in the back that has marker board that is usually used for like wall panels, perhaps for like a child's room. And if you go, you'll see you'll get a 32 by 48 inch marker board, which is essentially a dry erase board, for only $14.98 at the time of this video. So pick one of these up, and now that you have the dry erase board, the only other thing that we need at the bare minimum is tools to install it. If you wanted to go all out and make this look fancier, perhaps you can get borders to frame it, but that's not in my budget of $24. So in order to mount it to your wall, you just need command strips. I'll put the link in the description below for the command strips and the size of them that I got, but I'm pretty sure there were the extra large ones that handle 20 pounds, okay? So you'll get 10 command strips in a pack for about $10, and that's all you need, guys. It's super simple. So $14.98 plus 10, that's what, $24 and less than $30, okay? And you'll get a huge dry erase board. You can't beat it. It's a great deal. So now I'll show you how to apply the command strips, because I've never used command strips before. I actually just have been hanging up stuff with nails, and I've been fine in all of my rentals. They never charged me a security deposit for the holes I left in the walls for pictures of mirrors, but whatever. If this is your first time like me, I'll include how to install the command strips on the back of the dry erase board and attach it to your wall. So what you're gonna do is put the board on a soft surface like this, like your carpet. You're gonna spray a paper towel with some alcohol to make sure all of the dust and grease is off of it from whatever factory it came from, and your fingers. And then you're gonna peel off the back of one of the command strips one by one, okay? They come in like pairs, and you're gonna basically apply them evenly to distribute the weight of the dry erase board. In other words, you don't want to put one command strip at the top and then say, oh, it's capable of 20 pounds, and just leave it, because we want to put this up one time and make sure it stays, right, and doesn't fall off the wall. So we don't want to leave more room for accidents to happen, right? Also, these were pretty reasonably priced anyways, so you want to be assured and rest easy at night knowing the board is on the wall to stay, right? So I think I put about 7 out of the 10 pack of the command strips. But anyways, I tried to evenly distribute it as best as I could, like you see here. And then after that, you're gonna apply the second half of the pear that attaches to the Velcro and peel off the back of the adhesive on the pear before you put it on the wall, because that's what's going to grip to the wall, right? Once you're done applying all of your command strips evenly to the back of the board and your adhesive is ready to go, you're going to wipe the wall with a paper towel again and alcohol to remove any dust. If your paint allows, to be wiped with alcohol, because depending, it might leave whatever, but take the dry erase board up to it. And I measured where I wanted to put it on the wall beforehand, by the way, and just press down on the board firmly where you applied the command strips. And there you have it, a huge calendar. And there you have it, a huge calendar. And what I'll do is I'll show you quickly how I drew my calendar. You obviously don't have to use up the whole space, but this is the calendar that I like, that works best for me. And you'll see that the old paper dry erase calendar that's right there on the lower left with all the residue, it's about approximately 1/4 the size of our new dry erase board. By the way, that small paper dry erase calendar actually currently goes for around the same price of this whole actual dry erase board. That's 4 times the size. So what a great value, right? So for the sake of the time of this video, I'm gonna end here. I hope this helped all of you with your home office or your classroom, or anyone who needed a dry erase board but was frightened at the cost, okay? So please subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video, and I'll see you next time.